Number 1. 1983 GMC Sierra 2500, price $5,500. It has traveled just 61,000 miles. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this classic truck carries the dependable 5.7L 350 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, featuring a granny first gear for extra pulling power. It comes equipped with an Edelbrock 1406 carburetor, a heavy-duty 14-bolt rear end, and factory dual fuel tanks with a fully functional switching system. What sets this truck apart is its condition. There is absolutely no rust or body damage, making it a rare find and a true grandpa pickup survivor. Recent maintenance includes a new starter, new battery, new fuel lines, new filters, and new tires, along with a recently replaced master cylinder and fuel pump. The brakes are strong, the clutch operates smoothly, and every component is in proper working order. Number 2. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has traveled just 103,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a clean gray interior, it runs on gasoline and carries the legendary 350 V8 under the hood. The truck has a set of brand new tires that still carry that fresh rubber scent, and the interior is remarkably clean, far better kept than most vehicles of its age. Its four-wheel drive system performs exactly as it should, whether it's tackling mud, snow, or anything else thrown in its path. With low miles for its year, there's still plenty of life left in this dependable pickup, tough, reliable, and boasting the timeless square body look that always earns admiration. This Chevrolet 1500 is ideal for hauling, hunting, cruising, or simply turning heads in the neighborhood. It comes with a clean title ready to transfer. Number 3. 1971 Ford F250, price $7,900. This truck shows 129,000 miles on the odometer and comes finished in blue inside and out. It is powered by a 390 V8 engine paired with a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor and a C6 automatic transmission. The truck features a true dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers, delivering a strong and classic tone. Equipped with power steering, power drum brakes, and electronic ignition, this F250 is both reliable and enjoyable to drive. Recent updates include a new headliner, fuel sending unit, fuel pump, master cylinder, and a fresh set of wheels and tires. The front end has been rebuilt with new kingpins and coil springs, while the transmission has also been professionally rebuilt. Cosmetically, the clear coat is peeling in some areas, and the truck has a minor oil drip, but it remains a solid driver that runs and drives great. It carries a clean, clear title and is registered through August 2027, making it ready for the road. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1986 Chevrolet C20, price $6,500, finished in gray with a gray interior. It has been lowered 4 inches in the rear and 3 in the front, giving it a sharp stance. The body is remarkably solid with only a small rust spot near the driver's cab corner, while the frame and fenders are mint. Its patina paint has been ceramic coated and polishes up nicely. Power comes from a 350 small block paired with a turbo 350 transmission. Recent work includes new front rotors and pads, control arms, tie rod ends, Beltec front shocks, rear air shocks, alternator, water pump, heater core, rebuilt carburetor, grille, taillights, trim, and tires just 3 months old. Dual exhaust with cherry bomb mufflers adds the right tone. Inside, it retains its period-correct knob radio, upgraded with an FM Bluetooth adapter. Solid, stylish, and well-maintained, this C20 blends vintage character with modern reliability. Number 5. 1978 Dodge D150, price $5,500, equipped with a slant-6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The frame and most of the body remain solid, showing only the typical rust often found on Dodge trucks of this era, but overall, it is in great shape for its age. The current engine does have some noise and a light knock, though the truck still runs, drives, and stops as it should. Included with the sale is a complete spare slant-6 engine and transmission, which are currently resting in the bed of the truck. While not perfect, this D150 makes for a solid project for someone with the time to bring it to the next level. It comes with a clean title and is already registered with current classic tags. Number 6. 1980 Ford F100, price $9,750. Inside, the truck has been refreshed with a red interior, offering a clean and comfortable cabin that complements its rugged character. With only 91,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has plenty of life left for both work and play. Under the hood lies the legendary 300 cubic inch inline-six engine, an overbuilt powerhouse well known for its exceptional torque, durability, and ability to last for hundreds of thousands of miles. From the factory, it produced about 117 horsepower and 223 lb-ft of torque, figures that made it an ideal choice for heavy-duty work and towing. This example, however, has been properly upgraded with an Offenhauser intake and a 4-barrel carburetor, breathing new life into the engine and enhancing its performance. Number 7. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, finished in a matching burgundy exterior and interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by Chevrolet's legendary 350 V8 small block. This truck's engine runs strong and delivers dependable performance whether for work or play. The previous owner mentioned that the transmission had been replaced, and with a recently updated exhaust, the truck drives smoothly. In fact, it has been tested on a 2-hour trip out and back with zero issues. The body remains in solid condition overall, with only some attention needed on the rockers near the cab corners. For a 37-year-old pickup, it stands in great shape, supported by a clean title and a sturdy frame. Number 8. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500, comes with 223,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a gray interior, it has served as a dependable daily driver for the past 2 years. Despite the mileage, the truck has proven to be very reliable, with both the air conditioning and heat in full working order, along with all electrical components functioning as they should. It features an aftermarket head unit, subwoofer, and amplifier for upgraded sound, and is also equipped with a brake controller and 7-pin trailer connector for towing needs. At 209,000 miles, the transmission was professionally rebuilt, with receipts available to verify the work. Number 9. 1992 Ford F150, price $4,900. This truck comes with 200,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a 5.1L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in black, the truck runs on gasoline and was originally bought as a non-running project but is now being sold as a running project. Recent work includes new front and rear fuel tanks with pumps, replaced fuel injectors, and a fresh tune-up with new plugs, wires, and an oil change. The truck moves forward and in reverse and does stop, although its overall drivability remains uncertain. It will need new tires along with an exhaust and muffler replacement to be road-ready. Number 10. 1980 Datsun Pickup, price $2,300, comes with a clean title and has already passed DEQ, with the certificate in hand. Showing 229,000 miles, it is powered by a dependable 2.4L 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has been owned by the seller's uncle for many years and has always received regular maintenance. Despite some dings, dents, and a torn seat, the body remains solid, and all the glass is in good condition. The tires and brakes are in great shape, and the original AM/FM cassette player is still in place. While it does not have power steering and the air conditioning is currently not working, the engine runs strong and does not burn oil between changes. Overall, this little Datsun starts easily, runs and drives excellently, and has proven itself to be a solid and reliable pickup over the years.